Let's service the front differential on this 2019 Chevy Colorado. It is the same procedure on the GMC Canyon between 2015 to 2022. We're gonna use a create ratchet. The rule of thumb is to open the fill plug first by using a create ratchet like this, break it loose and take it out. Be careful, some fluid might come out if it was overfilled last time it was serviced, like that one. Inspect the fill plug. With the drain plug is at the bottom, you're gonna use the same tool, the create ratchet again, with an extension to remove the drain. There it is. Let's finish it by hand now. Inspect the fluid, see if you have metal shaving or some metal chunk came out of it. That will definitely mean that your differential will need to be overhauled at some point. And make sure you clean your drain plug. That's not perfectly normal. Using brake clean the fill plug using to take out the metal shaving off of it. That's not too bad actually. This vehicle have over 100,000 miles on it. About 120,000 miles. It's ready to go back in. Good. Now we're going to fill it up, and let's clean it up first using brake clean. We're gonna use the suction gun here, fill it up. You can use the part number for it. I'll post the link in the comment section below for it too. And use the new fluid. Let's fill it up. That differential hold about 1.5 quart of fluid. It really doesn't take much. Now we're going to pump it up there. There it is. Let it drain a little bit, and you can put your fill plug back in. Perfect. And that's it, guys. You make sure you clean it using brake clean, and go for a test drive and inspect the vehicle for leaks, and that'll be it. It's pretty easy. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.